Generation Plus Youth Games.
Yes, exactly. So, having witnessed the forum yesterday, in fact, I shared already with Chairman Pato and to other officials of the Philippine Olympic Committee that right now we have around 4 student athletes from table tennis and swimming and athletics, aged 14 to 13, which are doing very well. Yung iba nakasama dun sa Asian Youth Games natin. In Dubai. And then they placed. May ranking sila sa table tennis. So tinitignan lang kasi nga may age dito na dapat 16 by 2027. But in our current student uptake, yun na, papunta na yung direction ni ED Kiko na okay, with this SEA Games, Youth Games Plus, dapat medyo mas naging prominent pa yung mga student athletes natin na maging miyembro ng Philippine team na maglalaro doon sa 2027 SEA Games Plus.